Co-creation of quality service involves collaboration between service providers and customers to design, deliver, and enhance services together. It's about engaging customers in the service process, actively soliciting their feedback, and incorporating their input to improve the overall service experience. This approach recognizes that customers bring valuable insights and preferences to the table, which can lead to more personalized, efficient, and satisfying services. Now, for our documentation for the topic, co-creation of quality management, our team have scoured at Dasmariñas, Cavite for a restaurant that suits well for our given topic. And now we'll introduce Casa Amorito, which has been recently just opened at March 10. We are able to gain insights from the co-owners of the restaurant, Sir Andrew and Sir RJ.
First na question is, what is Casa Amorito? Like, tama po ba yung pronunciation ko? Like, ano pong meaning niya?
So for the first question, what is Casa Amorito? We were both seafarers kasi. Siya si Captain Andrew, and during our onboard stay sa barko, we planned to have a business. Yung Amorito came from our vessel, our ship, Amorito. But the other name, or the other meaning of Amorito, meaning love. So nilagyan namin siya ng casa so that the customers will feel that this is a home of love or the house of love. That every time that they will eat, that they will be here, they will be feel love.
Actually, for me po, nung nabasa ko kasi Amorito, like, parang French word na love talaga. Yun lang. Para, for me, as a customer po, yun. Parang sa name pa lang nyo po, mafe-feel na agad na may something. Ayun po. Number 2.
So, Sir Andrew and Sir RJ, how do you make your restaurant comfortable and welcoming po to customers and guests?
For us, nung binibuild pa namin yung business plan, lagi namin iniisip kasi syempre, how can customers feel welcome sa kanila? Diba? Yan kasi ang main objective, main goal mo parati as business owner. So syempre sa cafe, kailangan is yung aesthetic design. Kasi more on, ayun yung ano ngayon yung vibe ngayon ng mga Gen Z saka ng millennial Plus, kailangan comfortable yung namin, yung vibe namin. Kaya nung nakita namin lugar na to, talagang transform namin siya na magmukhang Tagaytay feel or more on silang feel pa medyo maging welcoming sa mga guests kasi nakita namin during our R&D yung mga tao talagang dinadayo ang isang lugar basta makita nila na relaxing, kakaiba, new. Tapos syempre yung food. So food, ang specialty namin is Filipino food. Si Chef kasi Chef Abby. So ayan talaga ang target namin. So number 1 is yung location and then yung food. Kailangan, syempre, makirelax nga yung tao pag kumain naman hindi naman masarap. So ayun talaga yung target namin.
Might say lang po na about dun sa design po, napakaganda nga po, and I'm sure nga po na marami po na magiging positive feedbacks po. And so, how do you train your staff po for quality service, and how do you empower them to contribute ideas for improving the customer experience po?
Yeah, for number 1 rule for everyone, we always remind them that whenever they serve or prepare the food, serve the drinks or prepare the drinks, they should be reminded na yung ginagawa nila is like for their family. Kasi ikaw, ayaw mong bigyan ng pamilya mo na something na basta lang na food. You don't want your family to have a food na hindi masarap or hindi maayos or madumi. So yun yung lagi namin may-remind sa kanila. And with the quality of service, kapag may nakita talaga kaming hindi maganda and nandiyan na kahit maraming tao, binabalik namin. So dumadaan talaga siya sa quality standards. And for the contributing of ideas to improve the customer experience, we are having this meeting, constant meeting, and we ask them for any suggestions that could help us. We are open for those ideas naman, and yun nga, sa isang startup, ang importante dito is teamwork. Kung they came from established na ng mga restaurants or cafes, they have these ideas, and for us, we have our own ideas also. So pinagsasama namin yung ideas together.
Okay po. Yung sa mga staff niyo po, masasabi ko lang, napaka-welcoming po nila and napaka-hospitable po. Kasi pagpasok po namin, basta si ate, yung girl po, in-approach po kami agad, like saan po yung gusto naming pwesto, ganun, kahit alam po nila na student po kami. Kasi yung iba po, hindi po sila welcoming sa pagdating po sa mga ganitong interview.
Correct.
Especially we're student camp. Ayun po, kaya we feel welcome po sa mga staff niyo. And yun po, thank you po.
Next po is, how do you gather customer feedback po? And what processes do you have in place to implement and evaluate customer suggestions for quality improvement?
Yung mga Facebook, may mga reviews po sa Facebook, ganun po.
Ako kasi yung in charge sa social media marketing namin. So ako may hawak ng Facebook page namin, Instagram, saka TikTok. So, ang strategy ko is we constantly engage sa customer. We review any feedback na ma-receive o comment na ma-receive namin sa page namin. And sa feedback na nare-receive namin, we always take note kung ano yung mga good or bad na nasasabi nila. And then we apply that para sa susunod, we can avoid these things na repeatedly. Sa actual naman, na may pumapasok, may mga kumakain, we constantly also approach, nagpe-personalize na lumapit kami sa mga lamesa, tatanong kami, how's the food, kamusta naman yung experience sa place, ano yung mga suggestion nila, comments, kasi nga, aminado kami, this is our first time business no? So we respect everyone's opinion hanggat maaari because we know na ito yung true criticism, ito yung magpapagaw sa amin kasi hindi nga naman instantly na perfect lahat, di ba? So sa mga ganitong mga suggestion o feedbacks, sa mga ganyang criticism ka lang naman mag-i-improve. So pag nakirinig namin ng mga may mga nasabi nila, like for example yung food medyo maalat or hindi nila gusto, doon namin na-realize na okay, eto pala pag mga ganitong mga tao, mga age group, kasi usually ang mga nagsasabi naman is mga sensitive sa mga panglasa is mga senior citizen Kasi sa senior citizen, kahit na sukat mo yung measurement ng mga ingredients, medyo talagang sensitive na sila, medyo maalat na o maasim na sa kanila. So doon medyo tinutone down namin. Saka ayun, lagi namin continuously inaano namin sila kasi ang importante sa amin is mapabalik yung customer. Hindi lang ito yung first and last namin silang makikita, di ba? So sabi nga nila, kung hindi ka man masarapan sa food, at least ma-feel mo na ikaw talaga yung kaya nga yung tagline namin, ikaw ang amo rito. Although ano na lang yun,
nabasa ko yun, ikaw amo rito.
Ayun ang inaano namin, ikaw ang amo rito, sinusunod namin kung ano yung gusto mo. So yun yung objective namin parati kapag kinakausap namin yung customer.
Similar po ba doon yung how do you handle complaints po? Like may mga worst po ba kayong na-receive na na-complain?
Yan naman.
Hindi mo masyadong ma-execute yung consistency of the quality of the food, but again, the service matters. Minsan masarap ang pagkain pero pangit ang service. You treat them na parang hindi sila naging customer, para silang naging pabigat lang sa iyo. Hindi ka babalikan kahit ganong sarap. Isa pa, kapag masyadong mahaba ang pila mo na hindi mo kaya silang ma-entertain, hindi naaabot yan sa iyo, aalis talaga. Pero kapag napakita mo ng magandang service, kahit matagal mo na i-serve, babalik at babalik sila sa iyo. So kami, yun ang pinaka-importante sa amin. Pag hindi nakaka-catch up ang isa sa aming department, like the bar or the kitchen, the dining staff will handle. Or us, will handle the situation. Doon sa complaints and regarding the complaints, hindi maiwasan. Any restaurant has complaints. But again, sa mga complaints, hindi lang din nga namin, pinapakinggan namin all of the complaints, but we also validate. Kasi minsan may mga customer na magsabi lang sa'yo na hindi masarap or hindi maganda or pangit yung ganito. But we validate it. Kasi kung tinitikman namin, okay yung panlasa namin, ito talaga eh. Before naman lumabas yan sa menu, talagang chinecheck yan, di ba? So we validate them din. Hindi pwede yung porque sinabi ng customer na may maalat, bababa kami agad. So yun nga, titignan namin based on the age group. Kung nakita namin, minsan tatanong namin sila, may mga customers kami na huwag masyadong maasim kasi matanda na. So we put it that way. We also have minsan na complimentary talaga. Bibigyan ito. In any restaurant, I believe, meron naman din complimentary.
So yun nga sir, nasagot niyo yung question 6. So next sir is, can you share a time when a customer suggestion improve your restaurant? So how did it help, sir?
May ma-share ka ba?
Yung like for example yung experience nila, like for example, madami akong nakikitang nag-share, nagtatag sa Facebook. So sinasabi nila napakaganda ng lugar nyo o kaya naman napaka-bait ng mga staff. Actually, yung mga ganyang feedback o compliment that boost the morale of the staff na i-continue pa yung improve. So nakakatulong talaga sa amin yan ng malaki. So, kapag nakakarinig kami ng mga good reviews, good feedback. So I think ayun yung magandang example kung paano nakaka-help yung mga customer feedbacks and reviews sa isang mga business owners. Kasi usually ngayon, sabi nga sa mga survey, di ba? Lahat ang mga restaurant, lifespan ng mga restaurant is bihira na yung tumagal ng 5 years. Almost 80% nag-fail after 3 years, di ba? So, with that in mind, we always value everyone's feedback, comments, criticism. Kasi dyan kami ayos pa pala yung ginagawa namin. Ganda pa nito, parang
Sorry. So, what tricks or ideas po na ginagamit niyo po para makapag-attract ng customers? Like, kaya po bang discounts or mga loyalty cards?
Yeah. We have loyalty cards. We had guests from social media influencers. Tapos we also have what do you call this? Namigay kami ng mga prop online. Parang marketing din kami. Actually, last night lang na-announce yung winners
parang
naman.
yung maraming winner. 10 po ba yun?
Yeah. Lucky sharers. We also give discounts. Tapos, we also partner with different NGOs or organizations, mga non-government organizations. So, yun yung idea. Yun yung mga marketing strategies for now.
So, what new ways po na tinry nyo to involve customers and improve the experience po? Like, mga live Q&A po or machines
Technology.
and technology. Technology po. Mga ganun.
For this, since yun nga, bago lang kasi kami. But ito kasi gumawa na ako nito ng customers feedback form on the Google form. So sila naman isang ka-wifi dito. I will put it on the table na meron silang customer feedback so that any feedback privately marireceive namin yun. So any suggestions that could make is mababasa namin. And also to involve customers and improve the experience. Kasi kami every time that we have customers, talagang pinupuntahan namin sa table. So tinatanong talaga namin sila, how was the food, how was their experience. So we do not rely online na hintayin pa namin bago sila. So nakikipag-interact talaga kami sa customers. Umiikot talaga kami sa customers.
Thank you po. Hanggang dun lang po yung, yung questions.
Hindi ako kami term na. Parang may term ko dati, hindi ako makakot sa ganyan.